So in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove an AI watermark from an image on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now, if you tried using the default gallery app on your phone, that feature is sadly no longer available. However, there is a workaround that you can use. Simply go ahead and open up the Google Photos app on your device and then find the image that has the watermark. From here, tap on Edit and then simply swipe through the options and select Actions. And then under Actions, tap on Magic Eraser. Then all you need to do is simply select or highlight the watermark. And once it's been successfully selected, just tap on Erase and wait for it to be removed from the image. Once it's been removed, you can tap on this check mark to confirm your choice and the changes that you've made. And then you can choose to save it as a copy. And so now you have your newly edited image without the watermark interfering with how it looks like. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.